Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Paycor's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your Paycor's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Paycor application. The home page of Paycor application will appear on the screen. Enter your username or email address linked with your Paycor's account and tap on Next. Enter your password associated with your Paycor's account and tap on Sign In. Slide the slider of Remember Username to the right side in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password option. This is how you can sign into your Paycor's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.